Looking at the future and certainly at the next 3 months, the fatalities at both Tau and Biffles early in January and February will have a negative impact on our production. We anticipate production for Q3 to be lower than that of Q2. Having said that, we continue to see improvements in our absolute costs, but as a result of the lower production, our unit cost in terms of cash cost per kilogram of gold produced will be higher in the third quarter than that of the second quarter. We do not expect the assets or the operations to make losses during the third quarter, and at a cash level we will still be positive. All of our operations have now stabilized and production have normalized in February. We expect that to continue into March, and certainly the June quarter, excluding the impact of electricity costs in terms of absolute costs, should be substantially better from a production perspective than what we have seen in the December and certainly also expect in the March quarter. Village Main Reef has continued on its strategy of identifying assets that is undervalued, and certainly we are also, through the announcement of our disposal of Consmerge, giving credence to our approach of once we've locked value in for assets to dispose of those assets. We expect the Consmerge transaction to be concluded before the year end. We've always indicated to our shareholders that we are keen to diversify our portfolio away from the gold exposure that we currently have, and in this regard we are looking very closely at a couple of opportunities in the coal sector where we believe the fundamentals are strong and the share prices are even more undervalued than we see in the gold sector as a whole. In addition to the diversification into other commodities, we also have the world-class Lesego project, and a lot of focus will be on unlocking value for our shareholders from this particular asset. Certainly over the next 12 to 24 months, Lesego will need to be set free to find its own strategy and its own place in the listed space. We believe that this will unlock real value for our village shareholders while we continue to look for opportunities to spend the money that we have generated from our operations, but also from the disposals during this period. As we indicated to the market, we are also looking at raising additional funds through the issue of a bond. Initial interaction with some of the larger investors in this space has been very positive, and we still maintain that we will raise additional cash to use in terms of diversifying the portfolio away from gold, as there are quite a few opportunities currently in the market for acquisitions.